Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Welcome into English lesson. How are you students? 10th class, how are you feeling today? Today we are going to start our lesson television versus newspaper. Are you excited about today's lesson, students? Yes, you should be. It is very interesting topic. When we discuss and compare something, it becomes more interesting. Today we are going to start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Students, coming toward the objectives of today's lesson, I will discuss today's objectives with you, which are summary of lesson, comparison and contrast between television and newspaper. We will discuss about the similarities and differences of television and newspaper, or you can say electronic media versus print media. We will also discuss about the likes and dislikes, values and traditions, harms and benefits. So our learning objective will be these. On the end of this lesson, students will be able to write a comparative essay on the influence of electronic media on print media. Okay. So students, you have books with you. Open your page number 77 of your English book, where they have demanded this question to you. Write a comparative essay on the influence of electronic media on print media. And they have demanded to write on this topic around about 220 to 220 By discussing these objectives, you will be able to write on this. Here student, on the resource pack on the last corner of the board, I have put some resources for you and pictures and images through which you can understand which is mass media, which is newspaper, which is television, radio, internet, television, radio, newspaper, magazines, and here I have given a complete comparison and contrast. Now students, I am going to paste here a flashcard for you. Here I have written similarities and differences between electronic media and print media. While we are discussing about the print media, it is slower than electronic media, as print media, newspaper, books, magazine, etc. takes a lot of time. The first point which we learn that it is time taking. It is time taking. Print media. And when we talk about the electronic media, it is much faster than print media, as writing and uploading a story that has happened just a few moments ago may take only a few minutes. So the one comparison and contrast among print media and electronic media is it is much faster. Which is faster? Electronic media. It is faster than the print media. In the ages of information and technology, television and newspaper have merged as two types of popular mass media. These two types of media have become more and more essential in our modern life. As students, you see the common updating information and diversifying classification of these both mediums. What is their major purpose? Their major purpose is to provide us information. To provide information. All the sources provide us information. Either it is internet, either it is television, radio, magazine, newspaper. But the difference is of speed, of similarities, of differences and other things. As we talk about the TV news, the ingredients and the budget determined toward the news gathering, manpower and tools are deployed to their task. Yes students, TV, while we do the comparison and contrast of television and newspaper. So what things TV offer us and which things newspaper offer us, we will see. TV offer us not only sight but also sound and motion, like audio and visual, both items are there. When we are watching TV, we can watch it as well, and when we are watching something, we believe it more. We have more trust on that thing. While we are reading the newspaper, we can read it. No video, no proof is there. So that becomes less reliable for us in this modern age. It is my opinion. Your opinion can be differ from me. And do you think is TV better than the newspaper? Television allows us to have visual proof of the incident, which can be more trustworthy, whereas newspaper isn't always be as proving. Television need us to sit in front of it and see all details straight run, whereas newspaper allow us to process information at our own pace at any time. We can take newspaper at the bus station, but we cannot take the TV. So these are the differences and comparisons among these things. Okay students, tell me which medium you like. Which medium is mostly used at your homes? What is more informative? TV can get information to you instantly, whereas newspaper takes time to print out, publication, and all these factors take much time. And then while we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages, harms and benefits, values and traditions, students, we can say that sex, crime, violence frequently depicted on the TV, and it is much easy to watch that, and adults are getting bad impression from this thing. So television becomes sometimes antisocial. It makes us antisocial, and we are taking away our values and tradition. We are getting away from the friends and family members, and we are putting more time on TV watching. And what is the negative effect of television? If we are talking about that, children spend more than 4 to 5 hours on the TV, their eyesight damaged with it, their aggressive behavior increases with the time. And you can also say that newspaper is like our old tradition. Old traditions and values are more blessed and more safe, as we say the custom. Okay, I will give you one example. Fast food, junk food, and normal routine food. If I am talking about the similarities and differences, junk food is more liked by our generation, junk food. But is it giving us more advantages? No, a big no. It is more harmful for us. While we are eating the simple healthy food are like newspaper, which are having less harms and effects on us. Okay, so this is just an example that to television we can call a junk food, burgers, patties, which children more like, and the simple healthy food is like a newspaper that is less attractive for us, but it maintains our values and traditions. Okay students, while we are discussing about the comparison, contrast, similarities and differences, likes and dislikes, values and traditions, harm and benefits, what else points you can give me? Do you have any other point? Please, you can share with me. Yes, you please. Yes, very good. Your point is accurate. So I am going to discuss the primarily factors again, and I am going to sum up this lesson. That students, newspaper were primarily established to cover the news, and later on they added entertainment in it. On the other side, television is mainly invented for the entertainment, and it has become more effective medium. Now television has become a powerful राइवल टू न्यूज़पेपर. इनकी आपस में दुश्मनी हो गई है, ठीक है. जिस तरह से दो पार्टीज़ की होती है ना दुश्मनी, इसी तरह से टेलीविजन वर्सेस न्यूज़पेपर, इट इज़ लाइक अ बैटल. द mass media has become a battlefield. On the internet we can get resources, links, we can watch them later, and for the newspaper the links are less and only the pages are there, which brings laziness in us. And so many people says that TV bring laziness in us because all the ready-made material is there and we don't have to focus. So it is up to you which view you will give. Now I will sum up my lesson. You will write a comparative essay on the influence of electronic media on print media. About 220 to 250 words you will utilize. You will write them on the notebook and you will share your picture. And students, you will answer me 2 questions. Question number 1 is, which medium you like? Which medium you like most? And why? You will give me only a 1 or 2 minute answer of this question. My second question is, what is mostly used at your homes? What is mostly used medium, print media or mass media in your homes? TV or newspaper? Okay, so you will answer these 2 questions to me. You will make video, you will give your own points to me. Have a good time. If anything is ununderstandable, you can ask. Thank you so much. Have a